You know that point where a hobby stops being a side project and it starts feeling more like a necessity? About 6 months ago, I decided to stop overthinking and go all in on this. I didn't just buy gear, I bought something to allow my brain to switch off. Today, I want to show you why finding your obsession is the best thing you can do for yourself and the setup that got me there. For me, it's been FPV, specifically the DJI Avata 2. Now, I know this looks like a lot of tech, but when I'm flying this, everything else disappears. It's like meditation, but at 40 miles per hour. You aren't thinking about emails or chores, you're just in the gap. I carry 3 batteries because 45 minutes in the air is exactly what I need to reset. And yeah, I keep DJI Care Refresh active, not because I'm planning to crash it, but it is a peace of mind during my flights, and that's basically the whole reason why I'm doing this. Now, the real magic isn't the price tag, it's that it removes the friction, such as snapping my phone onto the Osmo Mobile or clipping on mic onto my shirt, and I'm ready. Previously, I used to fly DIY drones, and I actually used to fiddle around with the controllers a lot of settings, and here's what the controller looks like. Now, I don't miss this at all, since I went from this down to just this. It's so much simpler, straightforward, and there's nothing else you could ask for. Now I'm focused on the story. Even with ND filters, it's as simple as putting on sunglasses on a drone. When your tools just work, you stop being a tech guy and you start being a creator. Now, I would say it's about the joy of the process and not just the final edit. I'm not saying that you need the specific kit, but I am saying you need something that makes you want to go outside and explore. This setup gave me a reason to see the world differently over the last year, and honestly, it's been awesome every single time. Now, I want to hear from you. What is that one hobby or the piece of gear that gets you in the zone? That thing that you'd go all in on if you had the chance to. Let me know in the comment section below, and thanks for watching. I'll see you on the next.